and I'm Vice President of Marlon Recreation Products. Today I'm going to talk to you about our Jon Boat series. This particular model is our SP1251. We've had it for a number of years, but what's really new, different about it is our new Scotty integrated gunnels. What we're really known for with our Jon Boat series is how wide the bottom of our boats are at the chine, not the overall beam width, but actually at the bottom. Having a wide bottom with high stability and very high carrying capacity. Compare our boat models compared to a number of other boat models, we significantly more carrying capacity and much more stable. But it's a very safe boat with on our models. In our 10-foot and 12-foot models, we use one single sheet of aluminum bent to form instead of having a seam up the middle. So you don't have a weld seam in the middle, a lot less resistance. We also make our aluminum boats very light, nice and easy for you to store in the back of your pickup box or up on top, or just bring it in the water. The other models are the SP1049 and 1251 and 455. The first numbers are referring to the length of the boat, and the second last two numbers are referring to the bottom. All of our boats come standard with 4 carry handles. Under each one of our bench seat is a certain amount of flotation. We need a certain amount of flotation in each boat to be Coast Guard approved. We're Canadian Coast Guard approved and US Coast Guard approved. We have a number of competitors now that seem to forget about that step. Our boats come standard with this EVA on top of all the bench seats. Then we also have traction grip added to the floor for added safety. We made the front of our boats nice and wide, so it's a lot of room for you able to mount accessories to it. The most common accessory would be a Scotty flush mount anchor system. We also have large transom gussets here, not just for strength, but also to mount a rear flush mount Scotty accessory bracket. We recognize that the bulk of our customers purchasing our Jon Boats are going to add a bunch of different accessories to it. What we developed was inside of our gunnel, we worked with Scotty and developed an extrusion in here that will accept a number of their accessories. What's really beneficial about having the gunnel accept the accessories is you're no longer having to drill through the side of your boat, hoping that you mount it in the position that you'd like, but it's very easy to add it in, very easy to adjust where your accessory is, nice and easy. You can put it in and slide it. It's easy as that. So again, not having to drill through the side of your brand new boat, add an accessory within seconds. This Scotty gunnel will be in all of our Jon Boats and all of our utility boats. This boat is outrigged with a number of different accessories that are optional. Whether it be anything that you see that is Scotty here, whether it be our nice seats with our mounting track system. Our seat track system is 30 inches long and you can rivet it to any bench seat. What's nice with the track system is it allows you to attach your seat, also allows you to move your seat from side to side if you need, and then also remove it if you're traveling down the road or if you're going to put it up on top of your pickup box. Easy allow you to take your seat on and off. We designed the 10 and 12-foot Jon Boat models to be able to slide between the wheel wells of any full-size pickup truck. A full size referring to a half-ton and larger. We have a single but very large transom support. We also have the storage spot for the drain plug. When trailering a Jon Boat, you want to make sure that your trailer has a Jon Boat kit. What a Jon Boat kit is it replaces the roller on your winch post with a flat board, also on the keel of the boat as well. The part of the Jon Boat kit that supports the keel of the boat replaces the roller on your trailer to a flat bunk as well. When I say a Jon Boat refers to a flat bottom boat. So when the bottom of the boat is perfectly flat, you're going to get a very stable boat. There's pros and cons to a flat bottom boat compared to a standard utility or V-hull boat. Pros could be, of course, it's a very stable boat. Con would be it doesn't cut through waves very well because it has a flat front.